the previous year's question paper. A minimum of last 10 years of prelims as well as mains analysis is required, and this you have to do it in the beginning itself, before you start your preparation of a particular subject. Don't make a mistake of going through the PYQs once you complete the subject. Many times you will see that, so मुझे ये पढ़ना ही नहीं था, ये unnecessarily मैंने बहुत टाइम स्पेंड कर दिया, मुझे इस सोर्स से पढ़ना ही नहीं था क्योंकि इसमें क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया. ये सारा आपको बाद में रियलाइज नहीं होना चाहिए. When you make the strategy for each subject, when you make a list of sources for each subject, before that only you have to go through at least minimum 10 years of prelims as well as mains. You may think, okay, so मुझे syllabus ही पता नहीं है, so मुझे subject ही पता नहीं है, what is the use of this? First go through the syllabus. Go through what are the topics which are there. At least understand the content list. Okay, so खाली content list को समझ लो कौन कौन से topic है. Go through the PYQ. Don't try to answer it. You don't have to answer this, but at least try to remember the questions. In what way the questions have been asked. Okay, so what is the nature? Whether it is current related or static nature. ये तो समझ सकते हो. You don't need to have a subject knowledge here. Okay, so and what is it? Whether it is analytical or factual. If you try to understand the questions and their nature, you will prepare your sources accordingly. You will go through you will study the subject accordingly. It saves a lot of time for you, and it will also give you the actual direction which is required for UPSC.